Okay, today we feel pretty crazy. Even my car that's warmed up shows negative 33. I don't know if you can see that. So it's super cold, and I think I have whole park for myself today. There's nobody, not even walking dogs. It's all frozen. Whole river is frozen. I don't know if we're gonna be able to fly, but let's try, see how it goes. We're gonna fly my Sedora. Currently the only quad I own that's not made by me. It's waterproofed, conformal coated, but it's so cold. I don't know if it's gonna take off. We'll see. Okay, again, this is gonna be a fairly short run today because I don't think I'm gonna last long. My fingers are freezing and it's just unbelievable. It's, I think, negative 41 at the moment, and when wind blows it's gonna be down to minus 50, they said, throughout the day. So let's do something crazy today. Okay, this is what I look like today. If someone sees me, I don't know what they're gonna think about this whole thing. Okay, so that's me. Hey.
Hello, Seii-FPV. Another flight test together. Yay, acro mode.
I wonder if this flight is gonna last more than 1 minute. We'll see. Let's go! Crazy, crazy, and crazy. Okay, so it's recording. Frostbite. Ah. Woo! Ah! Fuck! It's cold! Oh. These last 30 seconds. Oh. Can you feel my fingers? Oh. We have to fly. So frost. I think my motors are frozen. Oh my god. Okay. No snow damage, nothing. It was just on the bottom, but I cleaned it. Okay, it's done for today, I guess.
I really enjoyed flying with you today. Looking forward to do another test tomorrow. You know, for the science.
Bye, Park. It's too cold. Too cold. Just too cold.